Welcome, fellow productivity seekers. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through customizing the card layout in Jira, a useful tool for any Jira administrator wanting to tailor their workspace for more effective project management. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to personalize your card layout, simplifying your visual perspective and keeping track of your tasks made easy. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the board you wish to customize. This is your personal workspace, where all your tasks live. Once you're there, look for the More Actions icon, depicted as 3 dots, right next to your board name. Now, here's where things begin to get interesting. Click on those 3 dots. It's the gateway to customization. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Board Settings. Consider this your control room where you have access to the various settings of your Jira board. Look for the Layout section in this control room. This is where we can start really making some changes. Under the Layout section, you'll find an option that says Card Layout. Now, your Jira cards are your fundamental building blocks, the very essence of your project management. By selecting Card Layout, you're opening the door to add or eliminate fields that appear on your cards. Just imagine being able to personalize your cards just the way you want it. It's important to note, though, this customization option is only possible for company-managed projects. Unfortunately, team-managed projects don't have this capability currently. But don't worry, most of us are using company-managed projects, so this should cover a large part of the user base. Next, navigate to the backlog. Backlog is where all your uncompleted project issues are. After you've made changes, you'll notice that the layout changes apply to your work items here. The changes you've made should be visible, highlighting the direct impact of your customization. And voila, we're done. Now you are a pro at customizing your card layout in Jira. This simple yet valuable skill can significantly enhance your project management efficiency and offer clarity to combat any clutter. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button to support the channel. Are you still unclear about some steps or got questions on other Jira functions? Don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'd love to help. For more such tutorials aimed at honing your project management skills, do subscribe and turn on notifications. Trust me, there's a lot more we can learn together. Until next time, keep managing those projects like a rock star.